Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. The given question is find P0, P1 and P2 for the following polynomial, and the given polynomial is Py is equal to y to the power 2 minus y plus 1. So guys, let us see how we can solve this given polynomial. Question has given us here this polynomial Py is equal to y to the power 2 minus y plus 1. Question has given us this polynomial and question is asking us to find out or to find the values of P0, P1 and P2. This is what question is asking us to find out. So guys, these are again very simple and very easy and very straightforward. So let us see how we can find out. Now, question has given us Py is equal to y to the power 2 minus y plus 1. Or I can write Py is equal to y to the power 2, just putting some brackets, minus y plus 1. So that it would be easy for us to solve. Now, question is asking us to find out the values of P0, P1 and P2. Let us solve it like this so that it would be very easy to solve. Let us solve it like this so that it would be very easy to solve. Now, we can solve it in a columnar manner so that it would be easy for us to get the answer. Now, what we have written here, or what we got here, we got Py is equal to y to the power 2 minus y plus 1. So let us write it the same way. All these three things is equal to y to the power 2 minus y plus 1. Py is equal to y to the power 2 minus y plus 1. Guys, I'm just showing you how to solve in a simple way, but you can do it in your own way. Whatever the method you feel convenient, you can do it in your own way. Now, when P is equal to 0, we can write when y is equal to 0, that is P0. When y is equal to 0, that is P0. Similarly here, when y is equal to 1, that is P1. Similarly, when y is equal to 2, that is P2. Hope guys I'm very clear till here. I'm doing it in a tabular form so that you people can understand easily and we can solve it quickly without doing any errors. Or I can write P2 is equal to 2 to the power 2. We can write in this column it is not 2, in this column it is 0. So I can write P0 is equal to 0 to the power 2 minus 0 plus 1 minus 0 plus 1 here, or P1 is equal to 1 to the power 2 minus 1 plus 1, and here P2 is equal to 2 to the power 2 minus 2 plus 1. Just replacing the value of y with the respective given numbers. In the first column, the given y value is 0. In the second column, the y value is 1. In the third column, the y value is 2. Or I can write P0 is equal to 0 to the power 2 is 0 minus 0 plus 1, or P0 is equal to 0 minus 0 is 0. Or simply I can write 0 minus 0 plus 1, or I can write P0 is equal to 1. Similarly, here in the second column, P1 or P1 is equal to 1 to the power 1 is 1 minus 1 plus 1, or I can write P1 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1. This minus 1, this plus 1, it cancels out and we are left with P1 is equal to 1. Similarly, P2 is equal to 2 to the power 2 is 4 minus 2 plus 1, or I can write P2 is equal to, just opening the brackets, 4 minus 2 plus 1, or P2 is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So what we got here, guys, we got three different things. We got two different things, I can say. One is like when y is equal to 0, or for P0 we got the, or for P0 we got the value, we got the value as 1. For P1 we got the value as 1, and for P2 we got the value as 3. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward, and you people can solve this one quickly without wasting much time, like within 2 or 3 minutes, or even 5 minutes is enough. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.